Got the front facing upwards, right sides together, making sure that I've decided that the fluffy side's going to be the outside. That's just my opinion for this one. And I could put a tape across here, depending on how stretchy your fabric is. If I was to do that, I'd probably put it on the front. So basically, shoulders are put together, 1.5 centimetre seam. Oh, put that needle back to normal in the middle. Always using that guide there on the machine to know exactly how far 1.5 centimetre seam is. Oh, could pin this actually. I don't usually, but probably should, for the sake of a demonstration. So I'd pin it there, facing in again. Right, so it's, see how there, that's your seam allowance at that part there. That part there is 1.5, at the 1.5 line, that's where the two seams need to meet up. So when they're sewn there, they're going to be on top of each other. I'll show you in a second. So this is the back, and like I said, these need to be right on top of each other. This is probably better. So they're sitting right on top of each other. If I'd lined those up, they wouldn't actually be ready for putting that hoodie into. So I need to overlock this seam now. Just overlocking the shoulders. I'm trimming a little bit off because it's a 1.5 centimetre seam. I'm sort of bringing it back to about 1.2, 1 centimetre width. You can top stitch these shoulders if you want to, and you don't have to. So you can overlock, sorry, I've overlocked those now. Trim the threads again, and the other two shoulders done. And now I can start inserting the sleeves or top stitch the shoulder, it's up to me. I don't think I will, I'll just put the sleeves in.